Oh, hello everybody, me again. Right, today we're making Chinese style chicken, vegetables and Singapore noodles. I've got it all prepared. I've got the secret ingredients over here. And some soy sauce in there. So what I do first of all, heat up my oil, place the chicken already prepared, chopped up. Turn the temperature down. Is that a good view? Yes, hope so. Mac is sitting over there being a good boy like he normally is. Just stir the stir fry. Because I'm right-handed, I stir it left to right in a clockwise fashion. Yeah, still a paper plate, save washing up, just right away, because otherwise it gets all soaky-oaky in it. You know what I mean? Gets all the salmonella stuff on it. Throw that away. You're probably asking yourself, where's this stainless steel plate? Well, I can answer that question quite easily. I'm not even washed them up yet. Place that over there so you can see. They're just soaking in half an OXO cube and water. They're just, look. Oh shit, I just told you. That is a secret OXO cube. No, not OXO, yeah, OXO. Only half though. Give that a shake. Temperature down. I'm going to cook it thoroughly this time. Not raw, you can't have raw chicken. Like that. That's definitely raw. Give that a bit more doing that. Definitely, sometimes, you know what I'm like, I just like to poke it and mess it about a little bit. Give it some of that. There's nothing else I can really say at the moment. Apart from, oh, can you hear that sound? Yeah. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? I'm using my world's biggest selfie stick at the moment. It should be out in the public on the 1st of March. But I've got mine early. It's going to be called the world's biggest selfie branch, not stick. Right now, let me just check the temperature. Yeah, that's fine. I do not recommend that at home or in someone else's house. This I can reuse because it hasn't got vegetables in it. Turn temperature down a little bit. Just check the chicken. Yep, that's lovely. I've got a little. Just going to use a bit of the my secret sauce. Just help it cook. Get the extra flavour. I'm probably shouting because the food smells really beautiful and all that sizzly noise. Every notice the way the chicken's plumped up because all the oxygen's got into the meat between the fibres and that's expanding. And then as soon as the meat cools down, it shrinks back up and all the juices for the proteins come out. That's not one of my secrets. Right. Oh, that is really nice. I've got this little pink lighter. The blue one was £1.50, but this one's only 99p. Oh yeah, because it's pink. And make those empty tomatoes. Oh, can you see how it's all cooking and looking good there? Look at that. Can you smell it? Yeah. I wish you could. I wish you could smell it. Right. Let me just find... Oh. Hang on. I went out of forks. Oh, absolutely perfect. As you would expect. Let's just cut the vegetables. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Oh, I think that's French, as I said then. French. Excellent. Noodles. Singapore style. Right, now my secret recipe. And then some of that juice. Oh, hang on. Oh, crikey, me burnt myself in. Hang on. Just to wash it out. That's like pure nectar, look. I'm not going to tell you my secret recipe, but if you would like to know, oh yeah, also, please share this cooking video and subscribe and like and comment. That's the most important thing. Sharing and comment saying, oh, Eric, you overcooked that, you've done this, you've done that. Noodles are perfect, as you would expect. But the sad news is, I can't have to do this, because it's got all chemical stuff in it, it's got salt in it, it's got so much stuff that makes you all thirsty. But don't you worry about that, because Ragnar has got loads of chicken, what I cooked earlier. Loads of chicken. You know, turn the gas off that. Wait approximately 4 seconds. Put that in there. Look at that. And if you notice, I won't even need to wash that up. No, I will wash it up. If I don't, now what happens if I don't wash it up? Please comment below if I don't wash the pan up and use it for egg in the morning. Done with eggs. Yeah, I'll just mix it all up. And with the recycled bowl that had the vegetables in, what was clean at some point, I think it was a time before last it was clean, because last time I had egg in it, but that was only egg yolk. Right then, so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. You can see this, look, watch this. Hang on, let me have my tummy can hold it. Oh, crikey, I should better, must better fill the whole lot up. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, and other people, an absolutely masterpiece of a meal. Only took a little while, only took 8 minutes 35 seconds, and I made it. Preparation time 9 minutes. And if you do drop a chicken on the floor, always pick it up and just give it a wipe down. That'll be fine. Thank you for watching. Remember, share, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and see you soon.